Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that, but just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain.
Have you ever felt like your eyesight is falling away, with the world around you gradually vanishing into a blur? Imagine if, instead of stronger prescriptions or eternal eye strain, there were natural steps you could take to bring your vision back into focus.
Including 12 million Americans over 40. And it's not just adults. Our kids are facing more eye issues too, thanks to all that screen time and not enough outdoor play.
In this video, we're delving into Barbara O'Neill's exceptional secrets to restoring clear vision. From easy lifestyle changes to sudden remedies, we're revealing practical tips to support your eyesight and help you see the world as greatly as ever. Over the years, we've spent countless hours plunging into the world of natural eye care, testing out Barbara O'Neill's top methods and researching what really works. Today, we'll be sharing her most effective secrets to restoring vision and improving clarity, so you can finally take control of your eyesight and see results that go beyond expectations. No speculation, just straight tips to help you experience the benefits directly. We promise to share some interesting findings that could change the way you view your eye care. So, let's dive into the first piece of advice, Doctor. O'Neill also encourages for including more natural sunlight in your daily routine.
Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that, but just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain.
It's a simple yet powerful step you can take to help improve your vision without relying just on corrective lenses. Have you ever considered that the sun might help improve your eyesight? The sun can be a surprising friend in improving our eyesight. While we've all heard the warnings about not looking right away at it, those ultraviolet rays in fact arouse neurochemical pathways that support various brain functions, including those related to our eyes, which are effectively extensions of our brain. Making rapid use of sunlight might be another key to getting better vision. Just try this simple trick that is close your eyes. Tilt your head up to let the sunlight hit your eyelids for 10 to 20 seconds, then look around. This habit can help your eyes adjust to light more easily and improve overall eye health. Barbara O'Neill's discovered exceptional techniques for improving vision naturally, which may change how we think about our dependence on glasses and contacts.
And when you start wearing glasses, your eyes get a little lazy.
In a world where over 2.2 billion people struggle with eye problems, many of us accept glasses as our only path to clear sight. For many of us, glasses are the first line of defense when it comes to getting clear vision. Whether we struggle with nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism, these lenses have become a fix in our daily lives. They offer a rapid fix solution, providing the precision we need to direct the world around us. But here's a thought that might challenge our standard insight. Could relying on glasses be deteriorating our eyesight over time, and what if, instead, they're contributing to the problem? Specifically with today's screen-heavy lifestyles affecting kids and adults alike. Dr. O'Neill's approach includes surprising techniques, and by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps that could reduce your reliance on glasses. Dr. O'Neill's 3 pillars for vision improvement are exercise, diet, and natural remedies. First up, let's talk about eye exercises.
Rebounding strengthens the eyes. The reason rebounding strengthens the eyes is when you rebound, you increase blood supply more efficiently and effectively through the whole body.
One of the most unexpected methods Dr. O'Neill implies is rebounding. By lightly bouncing on a rebounder and shifting focus between a nearby and distant object every 10 seconds, we can exercise the eye muscles and increase blood flow. Think of it as a workout for your eyes. After a few sessions, you will notice less eye strain and evident focus after long workdays. Dr. O'Neill has a simple yet effective exercise to help strengthen your eyes. She advises choosing 2 objects to focus on, one close to you and one far away. For example, while bouncing lightly, look at a nearby window frame. Then shift your gaze to something distant, like a tree outside. By switching your focus every 10 seconds, you're giving your eye muscles a workout and training them to adjust quickly between near and far objects. Something that can become more demanding as we age or spend too much time staring at screens. You don't need any special equipment for this. Just start by lightly bouncing in place. If you can't do that, find something close to focus on, like your phone, and then choose something farther away, like a picture on the wall. Shift your focus every 10 seconds while you bounce or move for about 5 minutes a day. It might feel a little odd at first, but stick with it. You'll start to notice your eyes feeling sharper, and over time, you'll build intensity.
So what should we be eating? We should be eating a diet that's high in fiber. So all plant foods have fiber.
Diet is often the most skipped factor, yet it can have the greatest impact on your vision. Food. When it comes to conditions like glaucoma and cataracts, did you know that these are diseases commonly linked with the Western lifestyle? They are completely linked to the diet many people consume. So, what should we be eating? It turns out that including plant-based, high-fiber foods packed with protein and healthy fats can substantially increase our eye health. Every cell in our body is surrounded by a membrane that is composed of 50% protein. Our bodies need amino acids to create new cells, making protein essential. The cleanest and most effective sources of protein come from legumes, nuts, and seeds. Legumes include options like lima beans, black-eyed peas, cannellini beans, chickpeas, and lentils. Soy is also a great option, but be cautious of genetically modified varieties. When it comes to nuts, moderation is key and aim for about 10 nuts per meal. For seeds, about 1/4 cup per meal is ideal. Dr. O'Neill stresses that protein is important for the health and maintenance of every cell in your body. Along with the proteins, fiber is another important component for eye health. Foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, help lessen inflammation all over the body, which can have a positive impact on our eyesight. This is very important, as chronic inflammation can lead to various eye issues. Let's not forget about healthy fats either. Incorporating foods such as nuts and avocados into your diet helps keep the eyes lubricated and functioning smoothly. These healthy fats are beneficial not just for your eyes, but for your overall well-being, making them an excellent addition to any meal. By focusing on a diet rich in these key nutrients, you can take proactive steps towards better vision and overall eye health. Dr. O'Neill's approach to eye health goes beyond just diet. It also includes natural remedies that can be incredibly beneficial. One important suggestion is the use of castor oil as a treatment for cataracts and glaucoma.
There's a way that you can get rid of cataracts, and that is 1 drop of castor oil wiped over the eyelid. It'll go through the lashes. The castor oil will penetrate in through the eyelid and also into the eye through the lashes. Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates, it breaks up unnatural formations, which a cataract is.
By applying a drop of castor oil to the eyelid, it can penetrate the skin, possibly helping to dissolve cataracts and promote overall eye health. This simple yet great remedy harnesses the natural properties of castor oil, making it a convincing option for those looking to support their vision. For those struggling with sore or dry eyes, Doctor O'Neill suggests an herbal eye wash made from golden seal and eyebright. These herbs have been customarily used for their soothing properties, offering natural support for the eyes. By combining such remedies into your routine, you can nurture your eye health holistically, tapping into the healing power of nature. With these insights, you can take proactive steps towards sustaining and improving your vision without relying just on conventional treatments. Who's ready to give these natural vision-strengthening methods a try? For those committed to taking control of their eye health, these simple adjustments could be transformative. Imagine waking up every day with clearer, more vibrant vision simply by making a few mindful changes in your diet and lifestyle. By combining more plant-based, high-fiber foods and embracing the healing properties of natural remedies like castor oil and herbal eye washes, you can invest yourself to improve your eyesight. So, whether it's adjusting your meals, trying out new remedies, or being more mindful of your eye care routine, these small changes can lead to large improvements. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the secrets to restoring your vision. It's essential to take charge of your eye health, and these simple steps can lead you toward clearer sight. Making these changes is not just about your vision, it's about increasing your quality of life. Have you tried any of these methods, or are you ready to give them a shot? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's take this journey to better vision together.